Researchers at the University of California create enormous quantities of data and research outputs every day. The challenge is how we track and understand how this data is connected. How can we build systems to assess the downstream use of openly available research data in order to assess its impact on knowledge creation? The DMPHub is a new tool developed by the California Digital Library that advances data management policies and local requirements for data sharing to facilitate and accelerate the research process.
Open data policies are proliferating worldwide. Researchers are required to submit data management plans with most proposals for grants or funding which support their work. Data management plans, also known as DMPs, describe the data that will be generated during the research project, and it outlines the plans for sharing and preserving this data with the community. Currently, researchers neither have incentives nor easy ways for updating the DMP after the research project is underway. This can lead to poor data stewardship practices, often resulting in research data that cannot be understood or reused by others.
The DMPHub project originated from an NSF grant. It aimed to convert DMPs from their current static text document format into a structured format with robust metadata and the assignment of a persistent identifier for the DMP. Working together, the project metadata and the unique identifier generate a DMP that's structured consistently so that all the rich information contained within the plan can be shared programmatically between systems. This new structured document allows for automated notifications, verification, and reporting in real time.
The DMPHub generates unique and persistent identifiers called DMP IDs for data management plans. It also stores unique identifiers for a variety of related identifiers that are discovered at different stages of the research project. The DMP ID creates an unbreakable link between the plan and the research project's contributors, outputs, data repositories, and funding sources. It allows us to use the DMPHub as a means of visualizing all these connections.
We will continue to release new features to expand the possibilities of the DMPHub, helping to ensure transparency in the research process and to promote good data management practices for all UC researchers. Many of these new workflows are currently being pilot tested as part of the NSF-funded Fair Island project, which is a UC-focused collaboration between the California Digital Library, the University of California Gump South Pacific Research Station, and the University of California Natural Reserve System. Through the Fair Island project, we will be using and building on the DMPHub in order to track all research outputs generated from work completed at UC-managed field stations and natural reserves.
At a time when the University of California is looking for ways to mitigate the risk of data loss, we hope our project can be leveraged by multiple departments across the entire system, from research offices to IT departments to libraries, to give us all a better understanding of the amazing work that UC researchers do each day.